a website like that can, you understand, a website where I can showcase or like maybe like a sample website, yeah.
Okay. And
Where I just
you can build a
post.
portfolio website whereby you have what you have there is your details. So let me start from this from here. This is a CV, my own CV, the one I'm using currently. So if I want to
Okay.
apply, where you need your CV and your certification and everything is you put everything inside your CV. And if you want to apply for jobs, like now, if I want to apply for any job now, I just send their maybe write a little short note in their mail, then attach my CV to it and send it to them. So in my CV, when they open my CV, they see my name. Okay, who are you? I'm a software developer. This is my address. Pa pa pa. Then education. So you start from top to bottom. Your your topmost one, bachelor, then national diploma, secondary school, then your professional certificates. So you include them here too. So then like this one na Google certified digital marketer. So this one is like the kind of certificate you are going to get after this training. So you just include it here. So they will know that okay, you have this certificate as well. Then your work experience. Where have you worked? So founder CTO so place. Okay, this is the name of the company. I built not less than five complete web app with PHP that earned the company nothing less than $1,000 each. That's one. Software developer at this particular company, a month's internship, networking and telecommunication at this also company, software developer, Conical software development company. During my service here, I built several web and mobile apps using Angular Ionic use with PHP as backend and still work for them as per project requires offline projects. So you list all the project you've done here like this. So and you can also include link like if there's a website, so you can include link here like this. So this is another one, global trade tutor. Here's another one, and so on. So here, all the project you've done, that you know, okay, this project is meaningful and it's online that someone can just have access to. So you include them here like this. But another thing you can do, and here you list your skills. What's happening? Don't go now. So your skills under the skills proficiency PHP, Angular, Ionic, JavaScript, Laravel, Code Igniter, Git, VB.NET, Bootstrap, CSS, HTML, jQuery,
What's
Ajax.
that proficiency?
What you can do now, what you are good at. So
Okay,
REST
okay.
APIs, Visual Studio Code. So that's that. Then database, MySQL, SQLite, MS Access, programming language that you can write, PHP, JavaScript, Visual Basic, .NET, Visual Basic, VB.NET, SQL, Java, C++, Fortran, Pascal, assembly language, Python. So now application that you can use. So you just hardware that you can handle. So you list everything here so that when people read this, they know a little about what you can do, your ability. Another thing that you can do as a developer, all the project that you've been working on, like this particular one I give you now as an assignment. So you can
Okay.
just go there, you upload the code, Git. Let's say there's github.com. So you go to this website, you register with them. So when you register with them, and when you are coming for the first time, you sign up.
I think I have my account with GitHub already.
Okay, you have GitHub account already. Okay, that's fine. So when you
I'll create
register,
one.
you log in. I already have an account, so I will just log in here. I actually have many accounts with them. I can't even I have like two or three. So that's my repo system. So these are the projects that I've worked on so far. So test center, this is a project that I've worked on.
How do you add your project to digital?
That's where I'm going.
No account. But
But sure, I not. You are breaking
What
over.
about
Sure.
you?
Bashir, you are breaking. So now, as I was saying, these are the projects that I worked on. You are
Is it
breaking.
possible to open multiple accounts with them?
Of course, you can open as much as possible, but you only need one.
Different Google accounts, right?
Yes, you just have to use different email. But my advice to you, just open one so that all your projects will be in one place. There's no
Okay.
limitation to one account. So this one I have like three is because like this one now is for, you can see the email I used to log in indexcorp.com. That one's for a company. Then another one I have my personal one, which is Aluade and Kinika. And I have another one, Desk Planet. So project that is related to Desk Planet will be inside that one. Project that is related to Indexcorp will be in that one. Project that my own personal project will be in my own personal one. That's why I have three different listing. So now
Okay.
let me now show you. This is a test center. When I open it, so all your code, these are the code. You can see the folder structure: assets, auth, config, staff, students, readme, index.php, and login. So this is my code. So when you want to send
So we are
someone,
recording the class.
yes, I'm recording it.
Okay.
Am I? I'm not too.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? It's because recording now. Be it here. Yes, 6 minutes for something for something seconds. So now
Okay.
my own but if you want to, now when you are applying for job, apart from your CV as a developer, you put your GitHub account there as well, so that all the project that you've ever worked on.
Wait, how will you put all the files you worked on the
Calm
GitHub
down, calm
account?
down, you are getting there. So the question you ask is,
Okay.
if someone wants to give you projects, they will ask you, okay, what have you done? Can you show me?
Okay.
So that one is not
Okay.
even a question. The question is, if you want to apply for a job, maybe in a software company, you want to apply for a job in a software company. Apart from you sending them your CV, so they need to check all the projects you've worked on to know your capability before they will hire you. Before they even call you for interview, they will check your GitHub account, see everything you've done. They will know that, okay, this guy can actually do what you want to be doing. So before they will call you for interview and proceed from there. So your GitHub is summarized like, okay, these are everything that you've done. So when they see your GitHub account and see all the code you've written, they know that, okay, you have the ability to do what they want. So they now call you up. Now, when you have a GitHub account like this, to upload your project, so number one thing that you need to do is create a repository. Under repository, this thing here, you can see new. You can see my cursor on the new button here. So then you give it a name, like how can I give it? Desk Planet Training. Desk Planet Training. So that's the name there. You can make it for, since the project is, you want everybody to be able to see it, so just leave it as public. But if you don't want everybody to see it, you can make it private. So then create repository. So when you create repository like this, so this is the code that you need now. So we are going to use all this code here, all the code I highlighted here. I'm going to use it. But before you can upload your project, you need to download and install Git into your system. So you see, you can go to Google and search Git download. So you can see the website git-xcm.com. So this is the website. So I already have it installed. In fact, it was even this afternoon that I installed it again on the system. So you can just download for your own system. You can download for Mac, Linux, Windows. For Windows, you click on download, you download to your system, you install it as normal software. Then you come to you open your command prompt. Have you used command prompt before?
No.
No.
Wait, oh, there was a time I was trying to open
Can someone use visual
an
video?
HTTP.
I want to ask the question.
What's
Can
the
someone
question?
use visual video terminal
Yes,
instead
of
of this
course.
Git?
Of course, of course. You can use your. In fact,
There was a time that I wanted to open a file from
There
my
is a
file
panel on
manager.
Tab as well that works for this same kind of thing.
I didn't get what you said. What you just said now. Bashu, what did you say? I didn't get you. So I'm installing Git. I did not install it when I downloaded it. So I'm installing this Git. I'm installing. So
Okay.
after the installation, you go to your. Don't worry, we are going
You
to be
had
using the terminal to upload it. But let's follow the direct way first. Then we now move to
okay.
that of Visual
Okay.
Studio Terminal. Okay. So we have Git installed already. You open our terminal. Just to favor that you have Git installed, just come to open your terminal and type Git. So it must show you all these notes here. But now to use terminal, so you need to pay attention because okay, if you are using terminal for the first time, there are some commands that you type into terminal that perform operations for you. So number one is you know when I type Git, what I'm doing is I'm verifying that okay, do I have Git installed on this system. So I type Git, I press enter, it shows all this. But I want to clear my screen. I want to make sure everything is clear. So to clear your screen, you use what CLS, clear screen, CLS. You type CLS and click enter. You can see everything disappears. So that's number two. Now going back to our GitHub website profile here, you can see what we have here. Now before I move on, you can see their notes here. They said okay, let me read this one out. Quick setup. If you've done this kind of thing before, so set up in desktop. There's a desktop application that you can use GUI, but I don't normally use it anyway. So or let's go to the command line straight away. Create a new repository on the command line. Echo Deskplanet training readme. This is just a readme. We want to have something to our readme file. So git init. So we want to initialize git in our project, the particular project that we are working on. We want to initialize git there. So you type git init. That's number one. Number two, git add readme.md. So the readme file that we just created up there, we want to add it to our GitHub account. That's the function of this third line code. Then commit first. So the function of commit is your update. You know when we want to upload for the first time, all the files in our project will be uploaded in that project folder. But the next time you want to upload another one, so when you commit with a label, so that all your updates, all your uploading will be labeled, will be properly labeled, so that when you want to refer some updates, you know, okay, this is the one I want to refer, so you can follow the label to refer it. Then branch, we have different branches. So when you upload for the first time, see, automatically you are using the main branch, or can I call it main branch, or you are using the main folder. But by the time you are creating branches, so you are still inside that same GitHub profile, but it's like you are creating a subfolder, but the folder is virtual, so that you'll be seeing everything there. But if you want to see the only thing inside that branch, you can only copy. There's a way you can copy all the files inside the branch alone without affecting the other branch. Or if you want to make changes to your own branch alone, you can make changes to that branch without affecting the other branch. So that's the function of that branch. Then this git remote origin as a.
Are we going to practicalize it? Because I don't really understand you.
Well, that's one thing about that's one thing about Git. So don't worry. Once you are doing it already, now what I advise you now is all the projects that I'm going to be doing. So let's say every day you are uploading your project to the Git. So at least we are going to upload today. We are going to practicalize it. Then the update that if you do any update tomorrow, make sure you upload it. Friday, make sure you upload it. Next week, make sure you upload it, so that once you get used to it, you understand all the command and even you know them offhand. So now this one is just to add our GitHub URL, so that the command line will know where to put our project. Then push. So at the end of the day, after setting up everything, this push is the one that will push all the project online. Then after the pushing, we can now come back here and refresh. We see all our projects here. So now to practice that, to make sure that we are on the right track, now let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Another thing is that we can actually upload
Yeah, there is light now. There's power.
There's what? Okay,
There's
light now.
There's light now.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So now we can upload our files to GitHub from this command line here. You just need to navigate to your directory where the project is. Sorry.
But how do you even get to this now? Okay.
So go to your search for CMD or command prompt. Open it. When you open it, so to navigate from one folder to another inside command line, you use cd change directory. The full meaning of that cd is change directory, then your directory name. But first I want to list out all the directory inside in this particular part. I am to list all your directory, you use what? dir. Like I'm too fast. dir. I want to list all the directory in this part, so it will leave them out. So I know all the directory here already, so I want to clear cls. So I want to change the directory to desktop. So I've changed it to desktop. Now you can see my URL here. My URL here is changing. You can see that. Then from desktop, let me use dir again. I want to see what we have inside our desktop. We have where's that folder? Web basic. So cd web basic. So I'm inside web basic now. dir again. Let's see what we have inside web basic. So we have just our normal our index.html. So cls. From here I can upload it to the GitHub, but I don't want to do it here. So to make it simple, so that you can enjoy it, you can just come to your Visual Studio here. You see at the top menu here, terminal. Click on terminal, new terminal. So the terminal will come up here like this. So when the terminal comes up, so normally you are using window. When it comes up like this, it will come up with PowerShell, window PowerShell. But sometimes you'll be getting some errors with PowerShell. I don't know. This particular system is not really working with PowerShell, so I change it to command prompt. To change it to command prompt, you can see where my cursor is. So click on that drop down, click on command prompt. So we have our command prompt here. So CLS. So the first thing, so these are the list of commands that you want to type for the first time when you want to upload after creating your repository like this, you want to upload your project for the first time. So you follow all this line here, all this line, follow it. Then subsequent one, so you can now follow this on git remote add origin branch that you want to upload it to, then push. So this is a subsequent one. So for the first one, we have echo into our readme. You can see that automatically this readme file is created, and there is this dev planet training there. So that's number one. The next line is git init. Sorry. So in your command prompt,
you are still recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Don't worry. Git init.
You have to watch the video, like.
Don't worry.
I swear.
So we have git.
Oga, today is my birthday. So may you send my birthday gift to my bed.
Today is your birthday. No problem. We are going to give you a gift. Don't worry. So we have git init. What happened? Git not here. Oh, then I need to reopen my this thing. But there's git in the desktop. Yes, now. Okay. No, let me close and reopen this guy, because I've already opened it before. I installed the git, so it may be affecting it. So that's one of the another thing that you need to take note. So when you open your command prompt like this, you open your command prompt here like this, and you install a package until you close the command prompt and reopen. Before the command prompt will see that package, so you need to take note of that. So although I'm not sure that's the reason why the Visual Studio Code is not seeing it, but so let's assume that's what is happening. So yeah, terminal. So it's okay. Can you see the git is working now? So the next thing is git init. So we initialize our git right now. Wait, where am I working again now? That's not the folder. So we're changing to command prompt. So have CLS git init. So what's the next command? I hope you guys are there. Git add readme. So you can just come here and copy. So that's the next command. The next in line, git commit -m with our commit label. So you can change this one to anything you want. Let's say uploading first. Then we end wait. So there's a space.
Your voice is keeping, I don't know why.
It may be network. Is it clear now? Hello? Can anybody hear me? I hope I'm not speaking with myself here. Hello? Hello? Bashir, are you there? Ashraf, can you hear me?
Okay, I think I can hear you now.
Is it my network or your own network?
I can hear you now.
Okay. That's fine. If you can hear me. So we have this. What's happening? Something is happening here. Git commit m. It's showing some fatal error. Oh, okay. So they want me to actually log in. So in desktop ng at gmail.com. So this one is dev ali. See dev ali like that. Let me check it out. I hope you guys are there. Okay, so you're able to commit now. Okay, so okay, so that was the third code. Another thing is, you can see that when I wanted to commit my first my uploading first, so it's asking for my it was showing some errors, and it's made some suggestion that okay, I should run some lines of code. Said I should run this with my email and with my username. So when you create your account, you have your own email and your username as well, that you can just use that. Take note of that. Then after the first commit, it wants us to create branch, but it's not necessary that we create branch right now. So what I'm going to do right now is git add dot. So this one we had all the files inside your folder. So I'm not going to create a branch, but for you as a starter, just don't worry, just follow them through, and on everything as they put it there, it will work. PPP. Oh, sorry, it will not work like that. I did not create branch. You did push origin master here. So the reason why it did not work for the first time is because I did not create a branch, and the code I copied, there was a branch there. So, and since I did not create a branch, so it automatically it will be uploaded to the master folder. So that's why I put git push /u origin master. So let's wait for it to upload our file. We don't have much file, we only have the index.html and readme, so it shouldn't take much of our time. So that's how to use Git and GitHub. That's how to use Git. So GitHub is like a third party, like an application of Git. Now, so to finish your question, if you can remember, we are still answering your question. Your question is that okay, we want to work for someone, and the request okay, can you show us what you've done or where's your certificate? So these are the things that you need to set up as a developer. Set up your GitHub account and make sure you have your projects there. Flood your projects there in your GitHub account, and make sure the projects you're uploading they are top notch, because people will check it when they want to hire you. People will check it, everything. So make sure you're uploading something good there. So with your GitHub and your CV, the next thing is build your skills. You can see my own CV here. You can see a lot of things that I have here, and I still want to edit it, recopy it, chop everything together right now. So your skills, everything, make sure you are put everything there. Then you send them mail, or you can see some opening. They okay, we are hiring so developers. You can do it. Send your CV. So you send your CV with some details of what you do, and bam, make sure you include your GitHub account, and bam, if you are suitable for the job, they will contact you. So that's how to get job in tech. I hope you guys are listening. So it's not that my
Yes.
daddy said that they know someone somewhere. That
I
doesn't.
don't actually listen very well. I don't actually listen
Don't worry, I'm recording.
because the network is breaking.
Is it my network that is breaking or?
It is mine. It's from me. From here.
Okay, okay, okay. So in tech,
Is your own GitHub account see here?
no, no, no,
You
it's not
said
here. My own GitHub account is not here.
okay.
I'm
There
asking
is a
regarding
special.
that.
There is a special preparation for CV in tech, Abby.
Yes, this is my CV that I just showed you.
I'm asking that is your GitHub account here?
It's not here. It's not here, but it is important that you include it here. So that's how to get job in tech. So it's not something that someone can be like, yeah, okay, oh, don't worry, my brother will come and resume here or my son will come and resume here. It doesn't work that way because the kind of job they want to employ you for, you need to what? You need to deliver. So if you don't have skills, there's no way you can deliver on it. So eh. And your certificate too, it will speak for you as well. At least when people see that, okay, you are a graduate, you have this, you have that, and still have the skills, it will give you upper hand compared to someone that doesn't have all the other certificates. Do you understand? But the first thing first is your skills. So people will hire you for your skills, but if there is competition, your certificates will give you upper hand. So that's that. Where's our? I know this guy is still hanging here. I don't know what's happening to it. Let me stop it. How am I typing CLSD? So let me go back to our GitHub account now and refresh. Maybe it has uploaded. I don't know. Nothing has uploaded here. But do I need to go and click? Do I need to click that branch? Why is it not going? You know what? Let me click this branch. Would you come on me? Why?
Okay.
Branch created. I've added this already now. Okay. So depend on you, maybe. What's now happening? So let's wait for it. But that's the steps. No hidden charges, no hidden this thing. So that's the step. So we'll still check on that one later. 33 minutes of recording. I've not even started class today. So I think that's a little bit of Git. Let's leave Git alone. Leave my CV alone. So move that one to alone. Now okay. These people they want me to sign in, that's why. I was wondering why is it not working.
I don't know why. I think network is somehow poor today.
Yeah, me too. I'm kind of. I don't normally have any issue with my network here. Okay. I think okay, it has uploaded. So
Okay.
where that did I close it the other time? Simeon.
I think so.
Let's go back here. Okay, this is it. Dev Planet training. There's Planet training. And you can see where's the other one now? You have index dot this thing as well. Yeah, upload that. Uploading first. You know what? Git add. Oh, I was expecting that index.html2 to be there. Git add dot good push to main origin. And it's telling me that everything is up to date. Okay, let's check. And that's it now. Main branch. And where is our index.html? Voila.
Uploading first.
Is there nothing? And there's something inside it now. So this is the label the commit that I made. So branch.
So it's the link of where we are now that you just copy and add on your CV.
No. So if you're on your system, you can just go to github.com/devali like this, and it will show you the person's project. You don't need to log into your account to see all your projects. So far the projects are public. You can see all the projects here.
You said, sorry, I want to ask a question. You said the other time that we can download Git on our system, right?
Yes.
Git with what?
You download Git and install it.
Okay, after
Then you can now access it through the command line.
it's command line. Okay, the panel command line.
Yes, yes, command line, yes, CMD, command line interface.
Okay.
So, but you need to, you can, we're using GitHub.
Can I use that?
Can you use what?
GitHub. I should use GitHub.
Yes, of course, we are using GitHub. So when you install Git on your system,
Yeah,
you get your account with
I log
GitHub.
into my account.
Yes. After logging into your account, I think I've gone through the process already. After logging into your account, you can now create a repository. When you create a repository, it gives you the command that you are going to follow to upload your project there. Do you understand?
Yes.
So
So if I want to sell your project now, I can just go to GitHub/Ali. It's crucial.
github.com/devali. So devali is my own username. So if by the time you create your own GitHub profile, you have a username. So when you have a username, when anybody go to github.com/your username, they will see all your repository, all your public repository. So that's it.
That's good. It's making sense. So our project can be online like that.
Yes, your code. Another thing is, one thing that you need to note is that you need to note is that in GitHub only your code.
So I saw git-scm.com.
So that yes,
So can I some downloads on that?
yes. You can click
I should
download.
just open that link.
Yes,
It has only downloads. Okay.
yes, download. No worry, we record the part so you can follow it later.
Okay, continue. You can
The question
continue.
I
You can
want
continue.
the question I want to ask now is that since everyone can access your code on GitHub, for example, now I can just go to GitHub and say github.com slash devalue, so I can have access to your codes, right?
Yes.
Can't someone else just come, like just copy? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, they can copy now. That's that's what they about GitHub. So you don't want anybody to copy it. You see, when you are just coming up like this, so and you are developing, there's no point in hiding your code at first. Unless you have a maybe now you have a product, a private product that you don't want anybody to have access to the code. You can now make it private. So people will not see
Okay.
it. Do you understand?
I saw a small TV, a small desktop on the screen saying download for Windows.
Yes.
Should I use that download?
Yes, click on it.
You make it private, and you still add the link to your CV. Is this still going to show? Or is it only public that
No, they will not see private projects.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Can it be changed anytime from private to public?
that I've not tried
Yeah.
it, but you should be able to change it.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do some things today. At least we see how.
Okay.
What time is Maghrib there? Getting dark here, small sha.
I think it's what I'm seeing. Maybe I'm like around 6:40.
Yeah, me too. I'm kind of like. So, let's do something not basic. Let's not do something basic. So something fun that will look fine and fast. So I'm using. You can see that I'm on Get Bootstrap website, right? So
Yes.
this is how we do fast tracking. Navbar. So under the
Get bootstrap.com. That's their website.
yes, that's the official website of Bootstrap.
Okay. So I should log in there.
No, you don't need to log in. Just come here to check Bootstrap, and if you need code, you copy their code. That's all.
Yeah, but she's that already.
Thing. Alhamdulillah. So let me check. Do I have? Let me copy the skeleton first. So add the skeleton there. Back to navigation. I copy this one. It doesn't look fine to me, sorry. I think this one should do it. So the navigation here. It's our project, very basic. So this is the navigation. I want to quickly edit it. So just follow me. Remove this form. Don't need form here. Nav bar. Visualize. We use visualize. Okay, let's do that one for now. I want to add something else here. Fix top. Fix top. Okay. As for the, let's say we have home.
Tony, I want to ask a question. Please, what's the title of today's class?
Brother, she is that your belly gift. Your belly gift is light.
What?
I said I never give the belly gift.
In fact, I can open my mouth today. Seriously.
Gallery. Contact us. I thought you not let me rest.
I think I'm going to work on something like this too. In that contact us, I'm going to add the assignment I did that I did today there.
Okay. Yeah, that one that you just showed me, I mean.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I swear to God, I don't understand what you have been doing so far. Wallahi.
Which one?
What is that? I've lost.
Yes, I'm not explaining anything. And I'm not explaining anything. The reason why I'm not explaining is we've done navigation bar before and I'm still on the navigation bar. I just want to improve it a bit. So what I did here, don't worry, by the time you watch that video you understand. But this is what I did. So I went to Bootstrap.
That video. The video is like 2 hours 30 minutes.
Okay,
Yes.
when we yes, I remember it was that day we had a very long class. So
The Bootstrap class, Abi.
yes,
It's more than 2 hours. It's more than 2 hours. Though.
really.
Yes.
2 hours,
30 minutes.
30 minutes, 35 minutes. 35 minutes.
Really? So, okay, this is what I'm doing here. So,
I can see you open your terminal.
but we are not doing anything with terminal again. We are through with it.
Okay, what did you do with it before?
The Git. We use the GitHub to upload. No. So what we do with the GitHub, with the terminal is, so I showed you how to install Git and how to create an account on GitHub.
Okay.
So when you create an
I'm
account,
downloading it.
when you create an account on GitHub, so you create a repository and how to add your project to that repository.
Okay, I've created a repository as well.
So when you create a repository, they will show you the list of commands that you
What would be my repository name? What would be my repository name? The title of the project, Abi.
Yes, that should be, but it can be anything you want. Just make sure that it's the name you are giving it is actually what the project is all about. So what I use the command line to do is I used to show you how to upload your project to the GitHub. So I think that was what I did.
Okay.
Well, I thought you guys understand it now. I really don't understand it. You are thinking that okay, since we are recording it, we are going to watch it
The
again.
network was very bad before. I'm just enjoying the class now.
Oh.
So I'm just using Eco and Logic to follow the class.
Oh.
So I don't know what happened to the network today. It was like speaking.
So what are you going to do like this? So
We can watch the video. We are going to watch the video.
Okay, I think it's better we don't
Hope
make it
you,
a
hope
very
you,
long.
you recorded the video from the beginning.
Yes, from where for we cover a lot from the video actually. So it's already 15 minutes video already. So I think don't worry. By the
Okay.
time by the Maghrib time we stop the video, then so it won't be too long, so that you can watch it. And if there's any question, we entertain it in the group as well.
Okay.
So should I move on with what I'm doing?
Let's move on. Move on.
So
Move on. Sir.
So okay, you know what? Let's use this to give Bashiru his birthday gift. So what I want to do here is I want to, this nav bar. I don't want to test there. I want to put a logo there. So to design my logo, I'm going to canva.com. I already have an account with Canva. So I just come here. Maybe I can use the Deaf Planet logo.
Is Canva the only thing you can use to create a logo?
No, this is what I use personally because it's
Is it good, sir?
yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Good. So
Okay.
you can see thanks for being one in 100
Very
million.
good.
So 100 million users.
Canva is very good.
So they have 100 million users. So before I go to the
In fact, there's a guy, there's one of my friends that is using this Canva to make more
of course
online classes for people 1,000.
really oh well opportunity now. That's one thing about tech. So anything you can market it and get money from it, sha. So which of these are you going to use like this?
Is that?
I'm talking to
What do you
Ashraf
say?
here.
Birthday.
Yes, now which of design should we use for Bashir? Let's decide a birthday gift for you.
Okay.
Adina. So let's look for a cool one
Let's use this one with balloons.
with balloons. This one, Abby. Abby, come in.
I can't even find it again. This one by the right.
This one. Oh, by the right.
Yes.
This
I
one.
can use that golden one.
Okay. Let's use this one. So they are biting me like as if I hold them money. Looking for our logo.
Yeah, even the farmer.
But they are something writing.
Yes. But this is my picture now.
That's now.
So now look like all these people that they usually put at the back of the video.
Hey, okay. No wahala. So let's just put this one somewhere where there's no disturbance. Will this color work like this? Okay.
No, you have to change it though. That's what I'm thinking also.
So let's try and change the color to let's change the background to white. Oh, but white.
Something
Something
flashy.
flashy.
Wait. Oh, the background is an image, not a color. So, but if we change it, everything will change.
Okay.
So let's just leave it like this. Maybe we are not using our image, but if you have to, well, this white, it will not really make sense for us to use that white background. That means we are not using our
Can't you
Can't you
change
change
the
the
color
color
of
of the
from
from
white
white
to
to
other
other
color?
color?
The
The
logo.
logo.
I did not design the logo here. It's a picture. I upload it here.
Okay.
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 That's why.
Okay.
Uh,
This Canva, like, can we use it to make logo for web pages?
can you use it to make what?
Logo for business pages.
Yes,
Yes,
now.
now.
You can use it to do anything.
Okay.
Business card,
design,
everything.
everything.
So
So
many
many
things.
things.
Okay.
I think I'm conversant with it like 60%.
But I
But I
just
just
decide
decide
to
to
stop
stop
sometimes
sometimes
when the stress is too much.
I'm not getting anything from it.
So me, I only use it to work anyway. It's good if you are a developer and you need something like some quick graphic stuff that you need
Yes,
to
you
do.
know, instead of current draw,
Me, I hate that.
current
I hate
draw.
correct
I
drawing.
didn't know much about Photoshop. I still have that damn photo.
I hate it
I
with
still have
passion.
that damn current draw.
Forever.
Forever,
So,
you hate it.
I hate that corridor with passion. Even Photoshop, I just don't know why. I don't like graphics like.
Mm-hmm.
But
But this one, even with phone, you can quickly
Of course, I have it on my phone.
editing.
This particular account that you can see here,
I also have it now.
so I have it on my phone. I have it.
Yes,
Yes, I think I even have two accounts with itself.
So
I have two accounts with my two Gmail.
where's the file now? Okay, downloading. So what I want to do, this is what I want to do here. The reason why I come here, I hope this thing is downloading, sha. Why you multi close here? Yeah. Yeah. If you know how many projects I've created with this Canva, you will not believe it.
I think this is the first time I'm hearing of it.
I showed it to you there in our last cleaning now. When I was showing you the.
Yes, I mean, like, you are the first person I heard this from.
Okay.
I
I think I discovered something now.
What's that?
If
The work that we did where we are displaying burger, or what is it called? Slide.
Okay.
Yeah, slider or something. So I noticed now that I open because since my system has got off, the file is still on my desktop. So I tried to open it now, but it's not displaying the way it's supposed to be. It's just displaying normal this thing, right up. All the design is not displaying. So I don't know. Is it because I did not go on live server or what?
It depends. If you are using CDN to if you are using CDN, maybe I mean when you use link,
See,
you need to connect to the internet. But if you download the file into your local system, you need to make sure you properly connect it, like the URL is correct. Where
but we
that thing coming
connected to
from
that
now?
now. Ever since that day, we connected it. I've not done anything.
Ah, and that means you should. Is okay? Is
Check
it?
the image is still on your system.
You said the entire
It's there.
design and
It's there.
everything is not showing anything. So you know what? Check if you
Yeah.
are using CDN to connect to the Bootstrap. So if you are using CDN, make sure that you are connected to the internet and it's supposed to work.
That time when you just started Bootstrap.
That was last
That
week,
time
you
you
know.
have
Yes, now.
All our Bootstrap was last week.
We just started Bootstrap.
No, he was talking about that program. He just started Bootstrap last night. That time now.
Eh,
Our
I can't remember that bunker stuff that he's talking about.
that we did Lorem Ipsum. When you used to give us assignments, me about
Assignment that
Okay.
we split the write up like newspaper. This thing.
Okay. Uh,
that
that's normal CSS now. Wait, which one can I use? I think it's time for Maghrib, Abi. It's time for Maghrib, yeah.
Yeah.
We have to stop here. We have to stop here for today. I'm looking for. I want to use a banner. This is what I want to change. But you know what? In order not to, I think we need to set some rules so that question will not be consuming our class. So we should all our questions will be asking question in the group. If you have any question that is outside the class,
We judge it down.
so yes,
Yes.
any question any question outside the class, outside what we are treating in class, we should ask them in the group. But question about okay, I did not get that one. How is this one working? We can have that one in class so that because today now we talk about GitHub and now we can't even do much on the Bootstrap stuff. And what my own plan originally was that okay, after the navigation bar, we do some slider there. We just do a simple website, normal website to make something really tangible with Bootstrap. But no Allah, we continue tomorrow. I don't know why this thing is delaying like this. Supposed to have downloaded. Let me even see it. Maybe let me download it to my phone. I want to send it to. I will send it to the group. So I think we should stop the class here. It's over 1 hour already. So